Can the diesel generator room be set in the building? What are the requirements? The first step in setting the standard machine room of diesel generator is to select the installation location of the unit. Generally, the installation location is usually selected at the location that is both convenient and economical for power distribution connection and conducive to the use and maintenance of the unit. The machine room shall be arranged on the external wall of the building, and measures such as ventilation, moisture-proof, unit smoke exhaust, silencing and vibration reduction shall be taken to meet the requirements of environmental protection. At the same time, the installation position should also take into account the following aspects: ensure the smooth air inlet and exhaust of the machine room, and prevent backflow. There should be enough space around the unit to facilitate the cooling, operation and maintenance of the unit. At the same time, the unit must be protected from rain, sunshine, wind, overheating, frostbite, etc. If you still want to know more relevant information, please consult Dingbo Power. Dingbo Power can provide you with 30 kilowatts 3000 kilowatts diesel generator sets with IOU's needs, and provide one-stop installation and maintenance services of diesel generator sets to meet the power needs of different industries.